Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to change TikTok password. It's pretty simple and easy, so let's get started. First of all, I open up TikTok application and then get into profile page. Here I need to tap on menu button, these three lines at the top right, settings and privacy. And here I need to tap on manage account, the very first option. And now I see the password option, tap on it. And now I need to get a 6-digit code from the message. I'll just tap on it and now I can create new password. Remember that your password must have 8 to 20 characters, letters, numbers and special characters. I just made it and now I just hit on next. That's it, now you see my password is updated. I hope this video was helpful for you. Hit the like button and see you next time.